you think was the funniest part of Speed Tour in Jamaica?
The funniest part of Speed Tour to me are when Shensia cook up the ackee and saltfish. And at that same moment, Speed bend down and she say, "Get up, so me sister you well." Because she say, "Me don't want nobody come say, your Speed come to Jamaica and me give him food poisoning." Because who want here say, Speed come to Jamaica and eat Jamaican food and get running belly. But me not like that youth, their stomach strong like alligator skin. You see me? But otherwise, the second funniest thing to me was when they were driving him through an area and him say this huge pothole, president pothole, all pothole, and him said this is the pothole of death. So I don't know who choose to drive him on the road there and expose him to such big pothole in Jamaica, but I guess a part of seeing the best is also seeing the worst, because when you say there's too much in the best part, you don't even worry about the worst part. You see me? So, you know, good and bad come together sometime. But that was funny to me.
Did Jamaica do too much, or was it just perfect?
We can do too much. Which Caribbean island, Senior? Next question.